Hello and welcome to Read Russian, Break the Secret Code, and Learn Cyrillic. I am Nancy Howland Walker, and this is just a really brief introduction to the course so you can know how it's put together. Now, when the Soviet Union dissolved, Russia started getting very influenced by the West. So a ton of English words were brought into the language, and some Russian words came back out to us. And that was through television, through movies, MTV, and now the internet. So there are a ton of words that you already know in Russian because they're English words. But unfortunately, you don't know which words those are. And if you're over there, you can't recognize them because you don't know the Cyrillic alphabet. But if you did, you could read them no problem in your journeys over there. Now, during this course, I'll have about 125 Russian words that I'm teaching you that are the same as English words. And even looking at the screen that was just up, there are a ton of those words that I don't even use in the lessons. So you can read and understand all of those. Plus, I'll have supplemental materials that will have more words. So you will learn hundreds and hundreds of words that are in Russian that you already know. In this course, there are 5 sections. Each section has 1 or more classes, depending on how many letters are in the section and how easy or hard the letters are to learn. At the beginning of every section, I will tell you what letters are in that section. When we're learning a letter, I'll put up the letter, tell you what sound it makes, and then I'll actually use it in an image. And I really want you to picture that image and really put the sound of the letter with that image, because some people learn more visually than others, so that really helps. And if you can think of other images or ways for you to remember the letter better, please let me know and I will put that up so other students can learn from you. All right, and once we learn a letter, I will give you words that use that letter. I'll give you a few seconds, several seconds to sound it out and figure it out for yourself. And then I'll say, let's sound it out. Now, if you still need more time and want to figure it out on your own, just pause the video and take as much time as you want. And when you're ready, just hit play again. And I will sound it out loud. Vacuum, vacuum. And say what that is in English. Vacuum, yes! All right, and we'll have several of those words per letter. Also, I use something, it's sort of like a video flashcard where I will flash letters up on the screen. And I want you, whenever I flash a letter, is to say out loud the sound that that letter makes. All right? Now, I don't know if you're doing straight through lesson, or if you're taking breaks. So I'll usually do the first round of letters with you just to make sure you know them. And then I'll drop out and you'll be on your own. And I generally will increase the speed as it goes along just to keep you on your toes and make it fun. And I highly suggest during this tool to have a paper and pen or pencil to the side of your monitor just to jot down any letters that you're having difficulty with, so you can afterwards go back and really make that letter solid instead of just, oh, I always have trouble with this letter and I never do anything about it. In addition, I will have supplemental materials. They're at Quizlet.com under Read Russian, Learn Cyrillic, and under my name, Nancy Howland Walker. You'll need a password in order to get in there, but of course you're taking this course, so of course that's completely free. I will put all the information in an announcement and as a supplemental article, so you have all that information. But this is a great tool for you because they have flashcards, and I'll use them for the letters themselves as well as actual signs that people have taken pictures of in Russia, so you can figure out those. They have games that you can play, matching games and whatnot, and tests. So that's just a wonderful tool. Of course, you don't need to do any of that in order to graduate from this course, but it's fun and helpful. So that's about it. In about an hour and a half, you will become a master at reading in Russian. All right, so have fun. I have no doubt that this will be very, very helpful to you if you're traveling over to Russia or any place where they use the Cyrillic alphabet. You'll really find this helpful. So thanks so much. And if you have any problems, please contact me through the messaging system.